If you want to connect Mailchimp to Monday CRM and automate your contact workflow without doing everything manually, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to link Mailchimp with Monday CRM so you can start syncing your marketing and customer data faster. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, go to your Monday CRM board. This is where we'll set up the integration and connect Mailchimp to the workspace you want to use. Once you're inside Monday, look at the top right corner and click the puzzle icon. This opens the marketplace where you can browse apps and automations that connect Monday with other tools. Now that the marketplace is open, use the search bar and type Mailchimp, then press enter. Monday will show you the available Mailchimp integration options. From the results, click on Mailchimp to open the app listing. This is the app we need in order to connect the two platforms and create the automation. On the Mailchimp app page, click Use App. This starts the setup process and lets you add the integration to your Monday account. After that, you'll see the option to add the app, so go ahead and click Add App. This step is important because it installs the integration into your Monday workspace so it can be used in your board automations. Next, Monday will show you a list of templates or automation recipes. In this tutorial, we're using the template that says, when an email is added to this column, create a contact in this list. This is a great option if you want new email entries in Monday to automatically create contacts in Mailchimp. Select that template to continue. After choosing the template, you'll be redirected to sign in to your Mailchimp account. Go ahead and log in with the Mailchimp account you want to connect. If this is your first time linking the two platforms, Mailchimp may ask for permission to authorize the connection. Review the prompt, then continue with the account you want to use. Once you're signed in, the next step is to choose the Mailchimp account you want connected to Monday. If you manage more than one account, make sure you select the correct one so your automation goes to the right audience or contact list. After that, click the column drop-down and select the Monday column where the email addresses are stored. This is the key part of the automation because it tells Monday exactly where to pull the email from. Then click the list drop-down and choose the Mailchimp list where you want these contacts to be added. This makes sure the new contacts are sent to the correct audience inside Mailchimp. Take a moment to double check both the column and the list because choosing the wrong one can send data to the wrong place. When everything looks right, click Create Automation. Monday will finish building the workflow and your Mailchimp integration will now be connected. From this point on, whenever a new email is added to that selected column, Monday can automatically create a contact in your chosen Mailchimp list. This kind of automation is perfect for saving time, keeping your contacts organized, and reducing manual data entry. Instead of copying emails between tools, you can let Monday and Mailchimp do the work for you. That means fewer mistakes, faster setup, and a much smoother workflow. If you want to keep learning easy ways to connect your software tools and automate repetitive tasks, make sure you subscribe because I post tutorials like this all the time. And if this video helped you link Mailchimp to Monday CRM, please give it a like so it can help more people. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.